You're telling me you're not ready for the club yet? Come on, girl. I'm ready. We have to go. It's been 2 hours of waiting. We gotta get you ready, even if it's just like a quick little fix. We've got to do something, okay? Here. Look at these heels that I have. See these heels? You have to try them on. What size are you? Oh, these things will fit. Look at how sparkly these are. These would totally match the vibe that you're going for. Yeah, we're not going for a clean girl club vibe. We're going for Kesha vibes. She is who we look we look to Kesha every time we go to the club. Okay, come on. Let's be serious. Let's be serious. Yes, those shoes would look awesome on you, and you are wearing them. I'm not gonna let you not wear them. It doesn't work like that. Come on, what are we doing? Okay, I have a perfect outfit for you. Now, I know we're not going to a rave or anything, but shells, these on your biddies, come on. Like, what? Listen. That would sound, no, that would look great. Yeah, I know. But just listen to the way that these things tap. They tap amazing. Yeah, they sound great. They might fall off, but okay, here's my pitch. We take a screw gun, which we totally have. I got one in my garage. It's like right there. I got like 15 of them. We drill some holes, whether it's, what are we thinking? We obviously have to have one either right here, maybe right here. I'm thinking right here. We'll have one right here. We'll have one right here. And we'll have one up here at the top, at the tippity top. We'll attach string around and then go around the back like that. Do you think that would be great? I think that would be pretty cool. This guy I was sleeping for, it's kind of like a Hawaiian like theme, you know, like shell bra. Like, what do we think? I think yes. Just listen. Oh, the mic is all the way down here. Like, that sounds amazing. Yeah, you like my rings? You need rings if you don't have any already. Do you have any? No? Okay. Let's see. I got the perfect rings for you. It's a jingly ring. Look at the jingly ring. Listen to that. Look at that. Focus. Okay. And look at this one. It looks like Saturn. It kind of looks like Saturn. Don't you think? I think it looks like Saturn. Kind of looks like my eyes. It's kind of cool. I love this ring to death. So if you lose it, or break it, or God knows what you do to it, I'll come after you. I'll make sure you don't exit that club alive. It's just a joke. Okay, girl, we need to do your makeup, like ASAP. Like, come on. What are you, born yesterday? Do your makeup, come on. This is 2025, we do our makeup every day. Especially going to the club. Not just any occasion. You don't have to do your makeup every day. But you're not gonna do your makeup to the club. But come on. What are you thinking? Let's get this open. Let's pop this open. Let's pop it open. Okay. Relax your lips. Relax your lips. No, stop talking. Shut your mouth. No. This. Shut it. Shut your mouth. I'm trying to do your lipstick. Come on. That looks great. Let me just do one more layer. We'll let that dry. Don't worry. I'm not gonna like get spit in your face or something. I'm just drying your lipstick. Just a gentle breeze. What would you rather me like fart in your face or something? One more layer. Perfect, perfect. You look amazing. But we haven't even started with the eyeshadow and mascara yet. Let's get some mascara on you. Come on, let's open this, let's open this. That was amazing. Listen to this, listen. Oh, that was an amazing pop. That was an amazing pop. Okay, so. Okay, now rest your eyes, like relax them. Don't like close them, don't open them. Just relax, like just pretend you're high. Like, you know, pretend you're high, like the cartoony high, you know. Okay. We're going with another layer. Brush. I think we're gonna go for like an extra thick layer because we're messy. You gotta be a little bit more messy. And you're going to the club too, so it's like, it's not like there's gonna be like perfect lighting. No one's gonna like notice, right? Brush all of that on there. You look great, but we need to move on to your eyeshadow. So I can't let you leave without a little bit of eyeshadow, okay? I got my palette, a very messy palette. What even is that? I'm gonna get an eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna get some colors popping in your face. Colors popping. Because honestly, who doesn't love some colors? Okay, I got my handy dandy makeup brush. This is a paintbrush. It is so messy. Look at how messy my brush is. I can't get it to focus. I'm trying to like get my hand to focus it. Oh, there we go. Alright, get some pretty colors. Oh, you can see the reflection. I can see myself. Oh my gosh, I can see myself. Anyways, we're going to get, what colors do you want first of all? We've got the lighter shades. We got that pretty aventurine. I was just gonna say like white, sparkly white. Sparkly like white, light silver. We've got gold. So are you more like gold tones or more like silver tones? I'm just gonna do both. I did that with mine anyways. I just want like both. I want like a little bit of gold over here and a little bit of like silver and white over there. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. I don't care, the lighting is gonna suck anyways, so, well, it's just gonna be like dark. You're not actually gonna like see anything, right? Hopefully not. Hopefully it'll get rid of all my acne and my pores. No one will be able to see them. Plus, the amount of people who drink there, it's crazy. They won't even notice a thing. They're too intoxicated to notice. But I think we're gonna go in. I think we'll go in with some of this red here. Tap it off. Tap the excess. There we go. Brush. Okay, we're gonna get a little more. Tap it off. We're gonna brush. Oh, a little bit more. Kick it on there. Brush. Ooh, girl, it looks great. Now I think we're gonna go in with some clashing colors. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe off that excess. Right? We're gonna get some blue. Tap off the excess. We're gonna go brush. Gonna go over in like the center area over here. We're gonna go brush. We're gonna do that in the other eye. Brush. That looks great. Now on for the glitter, which is the most important step ever. So we need glitter, especially for the club. Come on, what were you thinking? I was just gonna like let you leave without any. We're gonna go in with this gold. Tap off the excess, or like maybe not. We'll just get a little bit more. don't want any of the excess tapped off because this glitter we need as much as humanly possible. Okay, I'm gonna need you to like close your eyes a little bit for this one. Yeah. Thank you. Get a little bit more, get a little bit more. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 brush. And then going with the silver in the corners like me. Because what's better than like matching makeup with your besties? Come on, going to the club. Are you kidding me? Brush, 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 brush. Right in the corners there. Perfect, 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 perfect. That was amazing. Thank you for being like the perfect like makeup model. Like honestly, you're amazing. You're an amazing patient. Did you really think that I was gonna let you walk out of here with that hair? Like I can literally, there's dandruff. There's dandruff in your hair. Come on, stop. I know you didn't think that we were going to party. You were just thinking I was gonna make a laid back, chill kind of day. No, we're going to the club and we gotta get ready because I'm not trying to wait here for forever. So let me just like one second. Pluck the dandruff. Pluck, 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 pluck. Pluck, 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 pluck. Thank you so much. Now we're gonna brush your hair. We're gonna brush it. Give me your hair. What the fuck is that? We're gonna brush your hair. Strand, brush. Brush, strand, brush, strand, brush. We're gonna go in the center a little bit. Along the center, brush, strand, brush, strand, brush. We're gonna go over in the corner. Strand, brush, strand, brush, strand, brush, strand, brush. Why don't you just turn around for me? Turn around. Perfect. Strand, brush. Brush, 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 brush. Come on. What is like, when's the last time you've brushed your hair? Like, honestly. The front side was a bit easy, but like the back side's like rat's nest in here. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, brush. Thank you so much for actually being an amazing patient. Yeah, you were like my patient. Come on, it's fun to like think a little, like imagine, be a little creative. We are going to the club, and I'm trying to get I'm trying to get the vibes going. Come on, what are you, crazy? If you thought that I wasn't gonna like do anything, oh, bitch, please. We cannot let you leave without perfume or anything, body mist, anything. God forbid a girl, a sexy girl dancing around with stinky odor. I am not ever, I will never, ever, ever let you leave without smelling good. You better believe it. Because honestly, there's nothing worse than seeing somebody, smelling somebody that smells. You just walk by them. You know you're gonna get all sweaty dancing out on the floor. I'm not gonna let that happen. Right. Get this cap off. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Alright, I need you to close your eyes. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Because I do not want this getting in your face. Okay, I'm gonna spray. 1, 2, 3, spray. Like whip it around, like get it in the air. I'm gonna do, oh my gosh, it's gonna smell so, it's gonna smell. I'm gonna do one more spray. Trust me, you sweat a lot and you stink a lot. This is for the better. Perfect. Thank you so much for that. Because honestly, I was not gonna let you leave without that little perfume, Febreze even, I don't care. Maybe some deodorant. Anything helps. I'm breathing that stuff in. Oh my gosh. But it doesn't even matter at this point, girl, because look at you. Like, look at you. We have you perfect for the club. Like, perfect. Okay, maybe not perfect. Maybe there are still a few pores. I didn't even do any face makeup, but honestly, your skin is kind of flawless lately, so, like, I don't even blame you. I mean, your hair was a little messy, a little gross, but that's okay. We plucked all the dandruff out. We plucked it out. We brushed your hair. We do not have time for styling it, unfortunately, because we have to go, like, yesterday. Not to mention we gotta stop at the store beforehand, you know. Pre-game. Drinks in there are, like, way too expensive. It's like, but I'm still gonna buy drinks there. Who cares? But anyways, girl, you look great. I did an amazing job. I'm, like, perfect. I should be a stylist. I should be, like, professional stylist. That would be amazing. So I'm gonna get you in the car and we're gonna go.